Good evening everyone. This is Harpreet from DAV Public School. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed the previous one work which we have started already, the 7th chapter, that is the coordinate geometry. Today we will discuss about the same chapter, next topic, that is the section formula. What is the section formula? To know about it, here suppose we have given a line segment. Its name is AB and having the coordinate A as a x1 and y1 and B coordinates are x2 and y2. Let there is a P point and P is divide the AB into the sum ratio. Let the ratio is m ratio n. Then we have to find out the coordinates of P by using the section formula. So let us use it, and P coordinates are, how can we find out? Ratio, first part is multiply by the B part of the abscissa. So to find out the abscissa of P, we will multiply m by the x2 plus then n by the x1 of the abscissa of A. So n into x1 upon sum of the ratios, that is m plus n. Similarly, if we have to find out the ordinate of P, then m is multiplied by y2 and n is multiplied by y1. So plus ny1 upon sum of the ratio m plus n. So by this formula we can find out the coordinates of the P which divide the AB into the sum parts as a sum ratio. So let us use it into as the exercise 7.2, question number first, that is, okay, question number first is, as we have given the 2 points as -1 and 7 and another point is as 4 and -3. So it is given that P is divide these 2 points into the ratio as 2:3. So we have to find out the coordinate of this point. So how can we find out? Let us do the solution of it. We are drawing a AB line where A coordinates are -1 and 7, B coordinates are 4 and -3. So let P is a point where ratio is 2:3. So how can we find out? That is the same formula we will use here, and then we will do the question. 2 is multiplied by 4, it makes as a 2 4s are 8, plus 3 is multiplied by the another abscissa, that is -1, it is -3 upon sum of both ratios, that is 5. Then next coordinate, 2 is multiplied by -3 -6 and 3 is multiplied by 7, 3 7s are 21 and plus 21 upon sum of the ratio, that is 5. So P coordinate we find out 8 -3, it makes as a 5 by 5, and here is 21 -6, it makes as a 15 upon 5. So we can write here as 1 and 3. So we approach here, P coordinates are 1 and 3 by using the section formula. Let us do further one more question related to the topic. Here is a question number 8 of the same exercise, question number 8. That is, here is given that the line segment AB is divided by the P point such that A coordinates are given -2 and -2 and B coordinates are given 2 and -4. We want the ratio of AP ratio PB. This ratio we want, but they are given that AP is equal to 3 by 7th part of total AB. Firstly, we have to find out what is the ratio, and then we will find out the coordinate of P. So what is the ratio? If we will write here 7 times 7 goes on this side, 7 times AP is equal to 3 times AB is divided into the two parts, AP plus PB, then 7 times AP. This 3 times AP minus on this side here is 3 PB. Then it makes as a 4 times AP is equal to 3 times PB. Now we can find out the ratio AP PB on this side and 3 4 on this side. So we can write here AP ratio PB we approach as 3:4. So now ratio we find out. Now we have to find out the P coordinates. See, we have given here the P coordinates where the ratio we find out, that is the 3:4. So we can write here 3:4. Now for the abscissa value, 3 multiplied by 2, 3 2s are, it makes as a 6. Then 4 multiplied by minus 2, it makes as a minus 8. Upon sum of them is 7. Then further coordinate is 3 multiplied by minus 4, it makes as a minus 12. And then 4 multiplied by minus 2, it makes as a minus 8 upon 7. So here we approach as minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 upon 7. Okay, so these are the coordinates of the point P, where we have given the P point is divide the ratio line segment AB in the ratio 3:4. Okay dear students, here we have completed this part. In the next video session we will complete how can we find out the ratio if the coordinate of the middle point it is given. Okay, so try it like as these questions. If any query, then we will discuss into the Zoom session. Okay, thank you, have a nice